Hey, what's up guys? Today we're getting ready to go see some parrots, so I'm gonna hop right outside, so. We're gonna get popcorn. We're gonna get popcorn and gummies right now. Let's get inside.
I know they have food upstairs.
You some popcorn, Mama?
Garlic bread.
You don't want any popcorn? Ethan, did you get 2 bags for you?
So we got popcorn, right? What's next? Parrots. We got parrots next.
Yeah. Here, baby, you can have some pictures with hers, okay?
She's the prettiest.
That's a he and
Have a conversation over here.
Don't worry, you're beautiful too.
Which one's 24? The one that looks old?
See, we can't put the big birds on your shoulder if you don't have a
The
shirt.
little
because
one
sometimes they
that doesn't look old.
scratch. See this little one? Look at see her toes, how crooked they are?
The green one is the oldest.
She has arthritis real bad. She's real old.
She's 24.
Oh, wow. That's the one that's 24.
She's pretty, aren't they?
They don't like you. Look at you, little boy.
He won't mess with you.
How you used to chickens, you can handle a parrot.
I like that.
You what, baby? Oh, you can't. Yeah, just give me 1 second, okay?
Carson, look at me.
I'm trying.
You're gonna try?
Just like Sissy's chickens.
Tony is a little sharp.
Remember, she's Sissy's chickens. You have to be gentle.
Got it? There you go.
Here, good girl.
Good girl. She's done.
And under her tail. Okay? That lets you know she's a sulfur crested. Now I would like to tell you really quickly about a bird we just got this year. We have a black cockatoo. There's only 50 of them in the entire year.
Okay, now that the parrots are over, back to the cabin. Let's go ahead and walk up there. Oh, if I unpaused and I was just looking into the distance because when I was listening to what he was saying, the phone was in my hand and I forgot, and I might have unpaused it or paused it. I don't know. If that happens, just tell me through Twitter. Just message me on Twitter. Also, if you follow me on Twitter, okay, so if you follow me on Twitter, I will follow you back and give you a shout out. So do that. And if you see my other video called the Ordering Fidget Spinners video, it's because I'm actually buying that with my own money. Okay, let's get out of the way of these cars right quick. I'm buying it with my own money, and so like YouTube didn't send it to us to give away. But it's like I have 25 bucks, so I'm just gonna get up to the cabin. So yeah, almost there. We might be going to the water park today. I honestly don't know. So I'm back at the cabin. Let's get in. So now that we're back in the cabin, I'm going to tell you like what my Snapchat is and everything. My Snapchat is eCrow35. Our Twitter is Galactic Marines. And like there's no other people with that name, so it'll be pretty easy to find, but yeah. Also, I hope you guys like the new intro. John made it. Also, go subscribe to TubeTV12356. He makes good content. Comment, subscribe, do whatever you can to show him some love. So I kind of want to go to bed. I am so tired. What to talk about? Maybe we should party. It's called partying real hard. I'm joking. Oh, my unicorn. Nay. No more unicorn. Oh. So, I don't know what to talk about right now. Oh, let me show you something. Okay, so I couldn't find what I was looking for. I was looking for my tablet, so I could show you my fidget spinners if you haven't watched that other video. But, yeah. How did you like yesterday's vlog? Please tell me, because, I kind of want to be trying, like, store and car vlogs more often. And I just want to know if you like them, because if you do, that would be great, because I honestly like them too. So, yeah, I'm gonna end this short vlog. I just wanted to show you those parrots. If you got like a view of them, that would be really cool. But if you didn't, I'm really sorry. That one there's one at not Grateful Flush, which I'm probably gonna be going to, because you can go there like twice a week whenever they watch. So yeah, if you like this video, please like it, subscribe, and comment down below. What is your favorite person from the dark side? Mine personally is Darth Vader. So see you guys later. And then just subscribe to become I can't say it. John made like a little slogan thingy, and I don't remember it, so I'm just gonna end it by saying peace.